Happy stampeding, Trina Lane babes. Thanks for joining us and our crew on our channel. We've been really enjoying sharing some little tips and tricks that kind of has us getting all giddy up, getting ready for Coca-Cola stage, rock concerts, country bands. I'm kind of pulling like a little bit of like, I'm ready for Coachella festival style. We can all wish, right? Because I know we all missed out on some travels throughout a good chunk of this year already. But here's my little tip on how to work with highlighters. So I'm reaching in one of our new palettes. Stay tuned, but this little fella right here is great at just kind of grabbing it a little bit, adding a little bit of highlighter down into the center of the nose, adding just a little bit at the tip, but exercise caution because depending on your age, you don't want to look too shiny and you don't actually want to enhance any oily skin, let alone fine lines, wrinkles, and anything else that could be happening in other areas. So be very careful, but again, party ready for a few hours. If you're not too worried about having your photo taken, all that fun stuff, you could always incorporate a little bit of shimmer and some highlighter just in like those little areas. Again, grabbing that same tone, just kind of working it down, maybe a little bit of the Cupid's bow. And then I'm a big fan of, get rid of the compact, give your guy a little shake, 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 and guess what? Dusting it, softening, creating a nice, soft summer glow because you know what? Summer is here. I swear it is. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for joining us.